with WTI, and I wanted to talk to you about my door handles from Knobwell. So these cabinet pulls are beautiful. I think they're the perfect addition to my white cabinets. They are in a nice dark black finish. They have very straight lines, so a really modern look and feel, and they're really nice quality as well. So they're nice and heavy, no chipping, no fading, no anything. They're stainless steel and really, really great quality. So this particular style has 4-inch centers. We had new cabinet doors, so we ended up just making a little jig ourselves to be able to space out the holes properly so that everything is streamlined. But if you have existing holes, then this would fit the 4-inch spacing. I think they have all kinds of other options as well. I use them all over the place. I use them in every cabinet in my kitchen, but I also use them in both my bathrooms. So I replaced the generic handles, the cheap handles that came with my cabinets with these ones, and I'm so much happier with it. It just elevated the entire space. It comes with 2 different sizes of screws, so depending on the thickness of your cabinets, we use the smaller size and they stay in there really well. So if you want to up the look of your space, your kitchen, your bathroom, wherever you need handles, I think these are amazing. We use them on our drawers as pulls and also on our cabinet doors. They're versatile, they look great everywhere. So definitely recommend it, give these ones a shot, and that's my point of view.